right across the street from St. Joseph's is a beautiful, what we call the Mary Garden. All the flowers in here have to do with Mary or feminine names for flowers themselves. Wonderful place to come to Woods Hole. Woods Hole tends to get a little bit of hot and humid in the summer. It's always a beautiful breeze here as we look across Gill Pond itself. Behind us is the St. Joseph's bells. They ring at 7 a.m. and 6 p.m. every day, named after a couple of famous scientists, both Pasteur and Mendel. And the bells were actually placed here. The individuals who were involved with that said they wanted to sort of merge religion and science. That's why the bells do ring twice a day. But again, when you come to Woods Hole, don't miss the Mary Garden right across from St. Joseph's Roman Catholic Church. Recreation is very important here in Woods Hole. The Falmouth Road Race been around since 1972, starts over by the Captain Kidd. But for local recreation, we have a wonderful area back here. We have tennis courts, we have a children's playground called TAFT'S Playground, a little softball field. Memorial Day is always a key day here in Woods Hole. We have a wonderful May Day celebration that occurs there with all sorts of games. Many of the games were played back in the 1800s. So come to Woods Hole, you need a place for recreation. You've got a park, you've got a tennis court, you've got a softball field. Again, important part about a self-contained village.